Hey everyone, welcome to this DSers AliExpress Dropshipping tutorial. If you're looking to start your own online store but don't want to worry about inventory or shipping, this is the perfect solution for you. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to set up DSers, import products from AliExpress and manage your orders seamlessly. To begin, we're going to have to set up our Shopify store. So we're going to head over to shopify.com. If you've already got a Shopify account, you can simply just log in. But if you don't, you can sign up by starting your free trial. Next, you're going to be asked a couple of questions like, where would you like to sell? Of course, we're going to select an online store. All right, now Shopify wants to know which best describes you. So this is just to help tailor your onboarding experience. If you're just getting started, you can go with I'm not selling yet. Next, it's asking, what do you plan to sell? So let's go with dropshipping products, since that's our focus for this tutorial. So Shopify gives you a 3-day free trial, and after that, you'll be required to pay $1 a month for 3 months. Okay, so you can sign up with your email, sign up with Google, or the rest of the options here. So let's go with sign up with email. Alright, so now that your Shopify account has been set up, you can go to your online store, and you can select a free theme and customize it to match your brand's vibe. It's super easy. Alright, now let's install the DSers Dropshipping app on Shopify. To do that, I'll go to Settings at the bottom left of the dashboard. Then you're going to select Apps and Sales Channels right here. Then from here, I'm going to head over to the top right corner to select Shopify App Store, and I'm going to search for DSers. So DSers AliExpress Dropshipping. Alright, so just type in DSers. Alright, so just go ahead and select install. So for the next step, you'll have to create an account. So just click here. So here you can see the different plans available. There's the basic plan, which is free. There's the advanced, pro, and enterprise. So if you'd like to go for any of these plans, go ahead and choose the one that best suits your needs. So let's go with the free plan for this tutorial. So now you're going to select register yourself, and that's going to take you to the sign up page. Now all you need to do is enter a password and get started. Alright, now that we're logged into DSers, it's time to connect to our product source, which is AliExpress. You see the screen asking you to link a supplier. Since we're using AliExpress, just click link next to it. DSers will redirect you to AliExpress, where you either log in or create an account. Yeah, so just go ahead and select link and authorize to AliExpress. If you've already got an account, you can log in, but if you don't, you're going to have to register. So now you're just going to type in your email address or sign in with Facebook, Google, Twitter. So let's go with your email address. Alright, so now you've successfully registered on AliExpress. So when you go back to Shopify, you see that your DSers AliExpress Dropshipping app has been successfully added to your Shopify store. Alright, now DSer is asking us to authorize the connection to AliExpress. This step is really important. It allows DSers to automatically create purchase orders for you on AliExpress when customers place orders in your store. If you've already completed your AliExpress login, just go ahead and click authorize right here. It's totally secure, and this is what makes the whole dropshipping process run smoothly behind the scenes. Alright, now we're seeing the final confirmation screen from AliExpress. DSers is asking for permission to access certain information from your AliExpress account, like your username, login info, and basic profile details. This is completely normal and necessary for DSers to sync your orders, track shipments, and help manage your store automatically. So let's click access now to complete the connection. Now they're requesting your email address and your password. So once you're done, just sign in. Excellent. Now that we've officially landed on DSers dashboard, here's a quick walkthrough to help you get comfortable with it. On the left hand menu, you see a bunch of important sections. First, you've got import list, and this is where the products you add from AliExpress will appear before publishing them to your store. Then you've got my products. This shows items you've already added to your store. This is where incoming customer orders will be managed. And right under open orders, you can see AliExpress, Temu, and unmapped, and so on. Then next you've got archived orders, tracking, settings, and even an option to link to more stores if you're using multiple platforms. Now in the main section, you can see the import list area. So right here, you can paste the link from AliExpress right here to add it instantly, or check out the recommended section where it's suggesting trending products you might want to sell. Then when you go to my products, just up at the top, you can see some stores here. So you can see Shopify is already installed along with other options like Wix.com, WooCommerce, and the rest. So these are the other stores you can also link with your DSers account. Now, if you'd like to see the stores linked to your DSers account, you can just come to your settings, go to general settings, then go to application management, and then you're going to see the different stores linked. Yeah, so you've got Shopify, which is your sales channel, then you've got your suppliers, and AliExpress is here, which is the one we're using. Now let's go to the find product section right here. Here you can see that you've got a few different sources to choose from, and then there's AliExpress, which is the one we're using, and then there's also DSers Premium Selection, which shows high quality hand-picked products. They usually come with faster shipping and better ratings. So you can either just go through the items, or if you're looking for something specific, you can come to the search bar here and just type it in. For instance, if you're looking for hats, just type it in, search, and all the different hats available pop up, and then you can make your selection. Alright, so now let's try importing. So you can either select all the items if you'd like to import all, or you can go to the specific one and just select it. For instance, this one. Okay, so now that's 1/20. And if you select another one, the number increases. So you can just select the item you want and then import it or add it to your import list. And then right here, you can see ship from and ship to. So for ship from, this refers to the location of the supplier that you're sourcing the product from. DSers lets you choose suppliers from different countries or regions. So if you click this drop down, you can see they've got different options here. And then there's ship to, which is the customer's address or the destination of the product. Alright, now let's try importing some of these items. Let's select this one, this, and this. Alright, let's add it to our import list. Great, so we've successfully imported those items. Now let's select check. Alright, now that they're in our import list, we can make some changes to these products. So we can come here, so you can change the title, edit the reference weight, and you can even change the image if you like. We've got the dimensions here and all the product details. Alright, so you also get to see some variants. So variants are just the different versions of the same product. Then you've got description, images, and shipping info. So all the details of the product that you might want to edit. Once you've imported a product into your import list and made all your necessary edits like adjusting the price, adding images, and tweaking the description, the next step is to publish it to your store. And that's where the push to store button comes in. When you click push to store, the product is automatically added to your Shopify store and appears in the products section. It's now ready for you to organize, showcase, and sell to your customers. So this step makes it super easy to seamlessly transfer the products you've imported into DSers straight to your store without any extra work. So let's try pushing this to store. Now once you click push to store, DSers gives you a few preferences you can set before the product actually goes live in your Shopify store. Let's walk through each of them. So first, there's continue selling when out of stock. If you turn this on, your product will still be available in your store even when inventory runs out. This could be useful if you plan to restock quickly, but it's totally optional. Then next you've got set product status as draft. This is helpful if you're not quite ready for your customers to see the product yet. It'll save the product in Shopify as a draft instead of publishing it live right away. There's automatic inventory updates. This is already selected, and that's a good thing because it means DSers will keep your product quantities in sync with your supplier on AliExpress. And then manual price updates, this is also selected. That means if the product price changes on AliExpress, you need to manually approve the new price. You can change this later if you want automatic pricing. Then here you've got also publish the online store. You might want to tick this if you're ready to go live immediately. If not, you can leave it off and publish manually from Shopify later. Then next you've got push product specifications and push all images to your online store, which helps helps ensure all the product details and visuals carry over smoothly into your Shopify store. Then just down below, you see a breakdown of your pricing rules, product cost, shipping cost, and compare price. So you can double check everything before hitting push to stores. Alright, so we've just selected push to stores, and as you can see, it's loading. Alright, so that's been successfully added to our store. So once you go to your Shopify account and go to product, you see that your product, the one you imported, has been added to your Shopify store. And that's it. You've learned how to set up DSers and import products from AliExpress. Thank you for watching.